My name's Ratio and you are tuned into the Maths Surgery. Today we're going to be looking at when we estimate the question to a calculation, we write the numbers correct to one significant figure, similar to what we were doing in the last unit. And then we calculate the answer. So now I'm going to give you an example. The aim of the game here is to make sure that every part of the question is scaled down to one significant figure. All right. So 37.6, that will become 40 times 23.4 will become 20. Because remember, all we're doing is estimating. All right. We're not giving them the exact answer. It's asked us to estimate. All right. And 0.54 will become 0.5. Okay. And then once you work that out, 40 times 20 will become 800. 800 divided by 0.5. Your answer will be 1,600. You see how that's done? What we did, we made sure that we just every part of the question we convert it to one significant figure. All right, let's have a look at another example. So now we want to convert this to significant figures, one significant figure. So that's what they're asking us to do. So that is going to be equal to 100 times one significant figure. That number there is going to be 5. It's 100 times 5. That is going to be equal to 500. Okay, 4.8, because we're going to one significant figure. This number is bigger than 4 and above. So that has a knock-on effect, so that makes that 5. Okay, that's where we get 5. 142, one significant figure would be the 1. This number here is below 5, so we are rounding to the nearest 100. Okay, so 100 is similar to 142.67 in the same bracket. Remember, we are estimating. Okay, now it's really important again that we understand how to round to one significant figure. So that will give me 14.3 will give me 10. Okay, will give me 10. That will give me 10 plus 103.8 taken down to one significant figure. That's going to be the square root of 100. And then that is going to be divided by 5.25. One significant figure will be 5. Okay, so that will be 10 plus the square root of 100 is 10 over 5. So that's going to be equal to 20 over 5. So your answer will be 4. Each point in the question, we have made sure we have reduced it to its significant figure. 14.3 will give you 10. 103.8 will give you 100. 5.27 will give you 5. Okay, and once you do that, it becomes pretty straightforward. 10 plus the square root of 10, well, the square root of 10 is 10. So 10 plus 10 gives you 20 divided by 5. 20 divided by 5 gives you 4. Okay,